Okay, we're doing this thing called series of cars. And I'm gonna destroy this BlackBerry for inspiration of Plain Rock 124 for his board smashing. It's okay. It doesn't have a battery because I kept it out of its mystery. Wait, I forgot to do my SIM card. Forgot to do that. How dumb I am. Forgot to take this out. The SIM card. There. And then here's the back. If you didn't know, what is the BlackBerry at the back? There. What does this do? Oh, that hurt. Just for a second. Yeah. It didn't electrocute me. Because Blind Rock 124 does that jokes. Because when he put like that one time when he put that put knives on that fidget spinner on board smashing grocery phones, he just photoshopped blood coming out of his finger. Yeah. So yeah, I'm destroying this BlackBerry. I have a smaller BlackBerry that is a smaller is a little more slimmer than this one, and a little not wider than this one. It's a little like its battery like this battery case. It's gonna do that. I love that click. Okay, now to the video. Wait, forgot to do this. We're doing a giveaway. Giveaway any of electronics. Even one of the BlackBerry that I talked about. But you have to restore it. I have to restore it, so I need a restoring video of it. And yeah, and we're doing a live stream at this time. At 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern. Yeah. Okay. Back to the video. We're doing a car collection. It's called Supercars, Little Cars, Diecast Cars Collection. It's a basic name. I think I'm gonna create an intro. Boom, 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 boom. Cars. Okay, now to the cars. Okay, the first car is we're doing big cars today. It's the car that I'm doing is this Lycan Hypersport 2014. Yeah, there's the wing. It's so hard recording on this phone, and then there's the wing, the butterfly wing door. So this car is very fancy, and it costs a lot. I know you can't see, but I can't do it. Okay, getting this out of the way. And this car is the Ferrari F430. And I don't know if it's a Stocklaria. Let me check. It's a normal F430, and yeah, it's a I had it for a long time. It has turning wheels. And then a normal doors, which is not very cool. And of course the engine on the back, because Ferrari does that all the time for some cars, but the new cars always have that thing. And there's the back. Not really the back, it's the front storage. And forgot, we're doing an Apple collection. Yeah. First, not for the Apple collection. Okay, this is the Ford Mustang. GT500, the first generation. Nothing's really doing it. And same doors as the Stocklaria. The engine as the front. There's the storage is at the back there. But it was the first one. And the last car is the Mercedes Benz. Come on, why can't this stay up? Okay, there's the Mercedes Benz engine, which is like fast, and this is SLS, by the way. There's the doors normal, and then that's it. Okay. And that's it, guys. So let's stop.